Every modeler has been there. You get so excited about a new kit, you jump right in, skipping the instruction instead of reading carefully. It happens also to me all the time. Hours later, you realize you skipped a step or installed something in the wrong order. And now the deck is glued on, but you forgot a key into your place. What now? The first step is not to panic. Most of the time, mistakes like this can be corrected with a bit of creativity. One clever trick comes from modelers who have had to slide pieces into place long after the instruction said they should be there. If a part needs to be added inside the hull or under the deck, glue it onto the end of the dowel. Apply a tiny bit of light adhesive and carefully lower it into a place from above. It feels like doing surgery with chopsticks, but hey, it works. Sometimes though, you do have to undo what's already been done. Wooden parts can often be separated with gentle use of a razor blade or a little steam from a kettle to soften the glue. And if you really can't fix it, don't beat yourself up, adjust, improvise, and call it a custom feature. Before you start a session build, take 10 minutes to read the instructions ahead, not just the step you're on. Many experienced builders often make their own checklist or notes so they don't lose track of the sequence. Check forums like Ships of Scale and Mothership Wars. Those are full of builders sharing exactly this kind of whoops moments. And you will quickly see that no one gets it right the first time, every time. Messing up the order doesn't mean your model is ruined, it just means you're human, and sometimes those fixes or redos end up being the most satisfying part of the project. Cheers!